Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get this glass skin on RH Dance Studio. So you're going to type in :B tools on the chat page like so. Then you are going to go to the building tools, which is here. It's just going to show up though. You're going to go to the Explorer tab and you're just going to select your username. Then you're going to select the settings tab here. You have this option. Go to material and select glass and make sure the transparency is at 100. Oh, make sure you're selected on the, okay, I keep on selecting something else. I'll just click on my name again and change the material to glass. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, what just happened? Okay, don't mess up with the transparency like I did. Just leave it. And that is pretty much it really. Maybe on the reflectance, you're just going to adjust it. Oops. Okay, you're going to adjust it on the reflectance area. And that is basically it really. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.